Hello everyone, Mark here, founder of GetMaineLobster.com, and today we're talking about a new lobster roll kit. And the reason why we have a new lobster roll kit is because your favorite lobster meat that we provide is scarce. We have come up with a makeshift lobster roll kit featuring 3 to 4 ounce Maine lobster tails. We call these sweet petites. What you're gonna get is our 8 New England split top buns, our famous spice blend, and 16 of these sweet petite lobster tails. Why don't we put this together? I just got about 1 inch of water on the bottom of the pan. I usually put the tail in on its back, stomach up, and then I like to put a little bit of sea salt in there, 2 pinches, and then cover it up. And probably take about 6 to 8 minutes to steam these. The awesome thing about the New England split top bun is you'll see that you have the flesh part of the bread on the outside. We want this because we're gonna brown each side, makes it crispy on the outside and nice and moist and warm on the inside. And you should do this for any lobster or seafood roll that you plan on cooking with a New England split top bun. I dip one side, then the other, then flip, and then you just want to keep an eye on it. Whew, perfect. And there you go. The perfect way to butter a New England split top bun for your lobster or seafood roll. So now that we have the buns done, I'm going to melt a little butter, which we're going to drizzle over the tail meat. All right, it's been about 6, 8 minutes, and our lobster tails, I think they're ready. Woohoo! I was right. What I have here is an ice bath. This is going to cool the lobster tails down so that we can then get the meat out and make our lobster rolls. With the 3 to 4 ounce tails, you can actually squeeze the shell to crack it and then pull open from here and then really start to take the shell off. If you get a nice hard shell lobster, you can tell when you feel it, when you touch it. You can actually just rip the fins off and then push the tail from where the fins were. There'll be a little hole there, right through, and it'll pop right out the other side. You want to make sure that you peel the top back and you remove what is called the tract. So we just take that out. As opposed to putting the whole lobster tail into the bun, I'm going to chop it up. So I go right down the center, just a couple chops. 4 lobster tails would be plenty of meat for 2 lobster rolls. So you're getting 8 rolls and 16 tails, so 2 tails per roll. The price is going to be the same even though you're getting more lobster meat. Very upscale lobster roll. Now we're just going to take the meat, put it inside the bun, beautiful melted butter. We're just going to pour that right over. If you want, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon. Seafood loves lemon. And then the hero of it all, our secret seasoning. We can't tell you how to make it. Sprinkle that right on top. And voila. We have our lobster roll, upscaled, 100% lobster tail meat. Make this a family event, right? Cooking lobster tails is fun. Bring the whole family into the kitchen. This is an amazing lobster roll.